I'm still learning how to use this camera in the car because it's so bulky and I'm used to GoPro. I need to find the angles to use the camera. Probably I need to take the sunglasses off so that you can see my face. It's been a tough day. It's been really tough. I'm still here, just reminiscing how the day turned out. For that, the content is going to look good because it's been a while. But it's been a long time when I create a content like this, so I don't know. And at the same time, I'm shooting a day in life as well. So it's just weird, I'm in the car right now, just getting ready to drive, and I'm going to mount the GoPro on the dashboard, and hopefully I can show you guys this beautiful Bristol. This part of Bristol. I don't think I have enough energy to do city center today, but I need to get to town and drop some items to the tailor. So yeah, let's get on. Welcome to another episode of GhanaFunTube. Today I'm in Clifton. I got lost. I'm lost. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for Redlands Park. I have no idea where Redlands Park is. I've asked most of the locals from Clifton, but nobody seems to know where Promenade Walk is. So I'll try to see if I can find my way to Promenade Walk. Let's get lost together. Let me see if I can find these beautiful streets everybody's ranting about. So this is Clifton, Bristol, United Kingdom, and the day is a Tuesday, 12th of October 2021. And if you're from Bristol, if you're from Clifton, if you're watching this video, please do let me know. And if there's any place that you'd like me to explore on my next Clifton vlogs, please do let me know. Earlier today, I was doing a live stream. I met an amazing lady, a PR lady, I think a media lady. She was giving me a lot of tips. We did a video as well. I've interviewed her for a bit, and which I'll publish this week. Right, do me a little favor. Please do like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also if you're a new viewer, please do write a little bit comment and let me know what made you join the channel today, or what made you click on this video. Is it the thumbnail, or is it just you're looking for something raw to watch? What made you join the channel today? Right, let's continue. Let's get lost. I'm looking for a Redlands Park, and at the same time I'm looking for a Promenade Walk, and then finally I'm also looking for Clifton Village. I have 30 minutes to find these places. While I'm finding the place, we should be able to discover some amazing places around here, I guess. Right, I'm going to flip the camera shortly because there's a truck in front of me. I don't want you guys to see a horrible truck. Right. Okay, busy day, busy, Earlier today, the weather was amazing. It's good for the camera, but now, look like it's going to rain. I don't have umbrella. So, yeah, let me flip the camera now. The truck is behind me, so we don't need to see the truck. Right. And I'm shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. And my lens is set to super view, so you get a lot of focal length you get a lot of aperture in the video. All right. And my white balance, I believe, is set to 5,500 kelvins. And also, I set the color profile to auto because I don't do a lot of color grading, so everything is raw. I think we're getting somewhere nice. Beautiful place, I guess. All right, it's very tight here, so I need to make sure I get out of the way. And you never know, maybe we might just be bumping to Clifton Village. Hopefully I can talk to some locals, and then they'll probably put me or just point me to a right direction. And if you're just watching the video, I'm recording from Clifton, Redlands. That's where I am right now, but I'm looking for a Redlands Park. If I could find it, then we can just wrap up the video. But if I can't find it, then we will record till we find a Redland Park, because everybody said it's a very beautiful place, it's a very beautiful area, and I should record that place. I think it might be down there because it just look amazing. Look like there could be a park down there. Right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to walk down to the zebra crossing, then I'll cross the road, then hop on to the other side of the road and see if that's where the Redland Park is. What I should be doing is I should actually use my sat nav or my Google Maps, but I decided not to use the Google Maps because if I follow direction, then it doesn't make the video interesting. You know, I don't know if you guys watch my Oxford Street video. I got lost, I got confused, I got frustrated. It actually made the video very interesting because, you know, when you get lost, you get confused, like you look very, very disturbed, you know. And I don't do that on purpose, but you know, sometimes I think sometimes we discover places when we get lost. So today I'm lost. I'm in Redlands, I'm in Clifton, and I'm showing you guys this gorgeous residential area of Clifton. The houses around here, I'm telling you, they definitely more than £300,000. Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm just intrigued of the houses around the street. Look how beautiful they look. It's pretty amazing, right? It's so beautiful. You know, that's what we get here, raw content only. You know, it's pretty amazing, right? You can't just get this. This is so beautiful, very quiet. It's so nice, right? It's so beautiful. You know, I didn't plan to turn here, but you know, it just looks so quiet. Clifton is just amazing. It's just one of the best places where, you know, people from Bristol want to live because the houses here are very beautiful, and I believe it's very, very quiet. The crime rate here, you know, is under 0. Yeah, it's beautiful, and all those things make it very, very make the house prices like very, very expensive. It's make it very attractive for people to move down to this part of Bristol. And you see, the reason why I was telling you guys earlier that this part of Bristol is very expensive, but you can see how beautiful this place is. It's amazing, right? Beautiful. It's a beautiful place. And if you're from Clifton or if you're from Bristol and you saw me or you've seen me or you like this video, please do give the like to the video. And also, if you're just watching because somebody told you about GhanaFunTube, please do subscribe to the channel, because what we try to do is we try to show people around the world how beautiful, how unique Bristol neighborhood is. And today is just one of them, you know, just walking around showing you guys how beautiful Clifton look like. Yeah, nothing really, no, just show you guys how unique Bristol is. You know, I was looking for a Redland Park, but I couldn't find it, so I just decided let me just go with the flow with my GoPro through my lens. Yeah, so I'm just going to post here, then I'll take some B-rolls with my camera. Okay. It's beautiful. Right, so the battery gave up on me, so I just have to get a battery replacement and then continue doing this video. Just to make you aware, or just to let you know what I'm shooting with. I'm shooting using GoPro, and I'm shooting in 4K, 5K 30 frames per second. I'm shooting in 5K 30 frames per second. So I've used the camera today to get some B-rolls, but there's a lot of editing to do. All right, see, as you turn right here, so Hampton Park, this Hampton Park, I believe, this Hampton Park. Right,
220 yards, turn left on Hampton Park.
right, I believe this is Hampton Park. Right. So my car park is due in 10 minutes and it's already 23 minutes. Hopefully I can get to the car park before they issue me a ticket or fine. I need to walk a little bit faster at the same time. Show you Clifton, Hampton Park and the other areas of Clifton. So I was in Redlands. I couldn't find the Redland Park. I believe I was on the bridge, but I didn't have enough time to explore the area. So at the moment I'm walking a little bit faster to get to White Ladies Road where I parked the car, and the camera is quite heavy as well, so I'm doing a fast walk. Hopefully I can get there before my parking run out. Right, so I believe I have to turn here, which is Hampton Park, where I was before. You can see that street down there.
In 90 yards, turn right on Hampton Park.
Yeah, I've already turned right here. See, turn right. I'm already here. It's telling me to turn right. That can't be possible. Right. See, turn left on Ash Grove. Is it Ash Grove?
Ash Grove Road. Then in 200 yards, turn left on White Ladies Road.
Okay, so I'm just about to get to White Ladies Road where I parked the car. Hopefully I can get there before they start issuing me a ticket.
190 yards, turn left on White Ladies Road.
So that's White Ladies Road. You can see the bus. That's White Ladies Road. I need to leg it. I don't know how long I can be out of my time before they issue a ticket. Do you see the hard work I have to go through to create content? Please do me a favor, do me a big favor, do like this video and do subscribe if you're watching and enjoying this amazing tour of Clifton. Please do me a big favor. It doesn't cost anything to like a video. Please do like the video, and if you have enough time in your hand, please do leave a comment and tell me which part of the video you enjoy. It's been really amazing talking to you guys, and for those of you who joined the live stream today, man, I can't thank you enough. Hiya, I'm just doing a YouTube video. Do you guys want to subscribe to my channel?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, what's your name?
Willa.
And you?
Lauren.
Just tell my viewers something unique about Clifton, Redlands, White Ladies Road.
White Ladies Road is bustling with people.
Yeah?
Brilliant food.
Yeah?
Great food.
Any recommended restaurant or bar?
Yeah. Clifton sausage.
Clifton sausage. Oh yeah, I've been there.
Have you? I've never been.
I had the pork sausage. Yeah. They
I
do
love-
lamb sausage, everything, right?
Yeah. What do I
Amazing.
love? I love the Boston tea. No, I don't even. Sorry, Boston tea.
Any plans for this weekend? This week?
I'm going back to London.
Oh, I'm going to London on Friday as well.
Oh, so are we.
Yeah. So if you do subscribe, you'll probably see more videos on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, we'll subscribe.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah. The name of the channel is GhanaFunTube.
GhanaFunTube.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah. Just type in Bristol GhanaFunTube. You see my videos.
See ya.
Thank you
Bye.
very much.
Bye.
All right. Okay, guys. Let me get to the car park. That was very nice. Thank you guys for talking to me. And if you've seen these guys around, say hello from GhanaFunTube. Right. I'm going to wrap up the video. It's been a pleasure talking to you guys. It's been amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. And for those of you guys who joined the live stream today, man, thank you.
Then in 30 yards,
And for
turn right on
iPhone maps, thank you for getting back to getting me back to where I parked the car, which is in front of me here. Right, guys, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. That's another episode just in like that. Don't forget to subscribe there. Thank you. Peace. Thank you.